It's unbelievably rewarding to see people so excited about our top-level service. This great 5-star review really motivates our team to keep working even harder. We're really happy to share this great feedback with everyone. We're really motivated to hear we've made so many people happy. We work with everyone individually to reach our 5-star service goal. Our approach really is one experience at a time. It's that simple. And as much as we love earning our 5-star reviews from past visitors, we also love earning 5-star reviews from new people. We want to earn one from you. Thank you for taking the time to visit with us today. We look forward to speaking with you. We're only one call away from serving you.